Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna show you my 3 most favorite work bags. So the first one is really soft and light. The color is really nice. It has 2 compartments. Like here, first compartment, the second one, and it comes with a zipper, so you can store a lot in it. Second one, well, the second one is long and there are some small holdings here as well, and this comes with the zipper as well. Along with that, it has the 2 small pockets, you can see, and in this you can store your files, your papers, your notepad, anything you want. It's perfect. Well, the last one, this is one of my favorite pieces because it's large and it's horizontal. It comes with a strap. Inside you can see there's a lot of space. You can put all of your essentials like your laptop, your files, your papers, anything you want, and this is perfect for the work.